Hey guys, Papa Gleb here, and I'm not gonna start off with showing you the lock. Today I'm gonna do something different and start off with the key. And I think you guys get a picture of why I did that. This is incredible. There's no name on it, so I'm not sure what it is, but I was told this is a GeGe lock. And so, sorry, here's the lock. Yeah, a lot of wording. Lock operates extremely smooth. Very nice. And before I clamp this up and start gutting it, I just want to give out a huge shout out to FlyWheel. And his generosity just blew me away. Yeah, to be honest, I'm still speechless. I mean, yeah, as you can tell, I still am speechless. I'm gonna put a link in the description as to why I'm so speechless, and I think you'll understand. But FlyWheel man, thank you very much. I'm enjoying everything you sent, and really, thank you. Alright, so let's clamp this up. Let me move you guys up a little bit. Okay. Let's clamp this up. It is locked. Okay, this is a Peterson. This is a Sparrows. I'm not sure why Sparrows doesn't have a 40 and a 50, but they have 25 and 30. I mean, listen, it's still useful for things like this. It's just the right tool. Alright, so we're going to be using a number 7 hook in 18 thousandths. Alright. And let's see if we can get into this thing. If I'm not mistaken, he told me that this is a piece of cake. And that's why I started with it. I mean, the wording was first intimidating, but then I remembered that I had this baby. Alright, let's see what happens. 1 is springy. 2 springy. 3 1 click. 4 1 click. 'Think that was 5, or maybe the wording. It's really hard to feel what's the wording, what's a pick, what's a pin. I think that was 5 again. No, that's the pick slipping off something. That's 2. That's 1. And a little turn on the core. Sorry, on the plug. Oh, that's more than 1. And a little touch cut it in further. Yeah, I think it's good. That's 2 clicks on 2. A big click on 2. Now he's set. Yep. Three feels set. Not sure what that was. Alright, let me. That's 5, I believe. A click on the pin. The pick slips off, and it also makes a clicking sound, so it's really hard to know what's the pin, what's the wording, what's set, by sound that is. It's number 4, little click on him. Alright, let me go through this one more time. 5, I think, feels good. 4 is set. 3 is set. Don't click on 2. One click on 1 again. Something on 5. That's 3. 2. Okay, here's that big click on 1 again. I must have fallen back down. Yeah, 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. There we go. Sorry, I already took the C-clip off because it's a pain. Alright, there it is open. Let's got it. Let me bring you guys down for a better view. Surprisingly, this C-clip was a pain. Alright. Five pins. And you could already see something. I think that's a lip. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it looks like a lip. I'm not sure. I don't think that's. Alright. Let's get to the fun part. Oh. Whoa. That's a pretty interesting pen. Oh, it looks homemade. Oh, another one. No, I don't think they're homemade. But they sure do look it with all the big serrations. That's what was giving me those big clicks. Alright. That's it. Alright. I'm gonna take out a few springs just to see. Make sure they're the same. Yeah, they're all the same. Alright, here it is. GeGe. Lots of fun with that warning. But overall an easy pick, as you've seen. This is actually, by the way, the first time I'm picking this lock. No practice, no nothing. Interesting. I see the inside drill, but I also see a 6th pin. I guess they just make these 6, and depending on the lock, they make it a 5 pin or a 6 pin. If I forgot, here's the bitting. I call this lucky bitting because it's pretty easy. Anything crazier than that, I don't think this would have been that easy. Alright, here you have it. FlyWheel, again, man, thank you so much. I'm gonna get to work on that box. There's a lot of lovely locks there. And everybody, thanks for watching. Take care.